What is a house facade? Simple explanation with examples. Welcome. Today we're talking about the word facade, and specifically what it means when we say the house facade. A facade is the exterior face of a building. The term comes from French meaning frontage or face. For a house, the facade usually refers to the main front side, the part you see from the street that makes the first impression. It includes things like the door, windows, walls, roofline, materials, color, and architectural details. The design of the facade matters because it sets the tone for the entire home. A modern facade might use large glass panels, clean lines, and neutral colors. A more traditional one might have decorative moldings, columns, or a porch. In short, when you hear house facade, think of the building's outer face, how it presents itself to the world. Thanks for watching. See you next time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.